Hello guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. As always, I'm glad you're here. So today I have this beauty with me. Look at the state of it. Yesterday I was riding for an hour in the rain, so it just looks horrible. So I think I have to clean it a little. Honestly, I don't pay much attention into cleaning. It usually takes me from 10 to 15 minutes. I just wash it before any ride and then just go. But I think I need to learn how to do a proper job on it and to take care of it more. So we are at Auto Estetica in Kaunas. I've seen this company's work. I know they are very good at their job, not only with bikes, but also with cars. So I asked them to show me and teach me how to do a proper job on it. And they gladly agreed to do it. So I'm more than happy. So yeah, let's just roll our sleeves up. I don't have any, but just pretend they're here and let's get to work.
Every day, I want your touch, and every way, I can't give it up. Anything, just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Oh, we be my ride or die. Oh, we can do this every night. Oh, will you be my ride or die?
I think this bike was only this clean when it was brand new. Let's be real, I will definitely not clean it like this every single time, but I just hope I will have enough patience to do it at least once a month. But yeah, big thank you for Auto Estetica for not even helping me with cleaning this bike, but also giving me lots of useful information about its care. So if you want to get your bike or even your car professional cleaning or polishing here in Kaunas, I will leave all the details down below, so you can contact this company. And yeah, unfortunately I don't have my gear on, so don't hate me for it, but let's just enjoy my short trip home and try to catch some flies already.
Don't be scared, 'cause I'll be there. Yes, I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Dancing in your halo.
I forgot to fix them. Now I can't see anything. Enjoy this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to see my future weekly videos. And as always, kiss it.